Want another 40, Willie?
No, just to walk in.
Well, we're going to be mustered here for 5 minutes, just give instructions, buddy. So, just if they all get cramped, I can put their hands down.
You can take your cards down for a couple of 3 minutes, just taking it soft. Stand in ace for a wee 5-10 minutes just to reach the strangles. We didn't see it in the bigger form, so it is true. There is a man filming up here on the right.
Push usually half. Cheers. Big stop here, boys. Just when safety cross, safety cross. Willie, what sort of a photo you want for that angle? Just like, I'll be perfect. Sit down here. There's a red card on that side of the field. Right, just spread it out. No, it's pretty hard to space before you get. Guys, tell me when you get the red card from. Yeah, go on. Go the left side. Keep going, guys.
Just keep moving up the street. If you're blocking the banner, keep walking up to the... Another 100 feet. Good. Just keep moving up there. This is drive, please. Keep going up the drive, please. Don't stop at the banner. Keep shuffling up, please. Further up Edmondson Drive. Past the banner. Sorry, it's not the gold first. Keep shuffling up further, please, guys. Keep shuffling up, please. Where's it? Push to the left-hand side of people, just please keep moving up the road, please. Thank you.
Yep.
Right guys, that's smashing. If you can just push in and make it quite concentrated for now on in. It's not my fault, it's Willie Bass, blame him. Please come to the front.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Just move in. The blue guys to your back. The guys with the banner come to the front.
Forward, guys. Go forward a wee bit. Forward, aye. Keep going. Aye.
Keep squeezing in guys, we're going to substitute staff coming to the front to keep you in the banner. I'll do just folk coming down the corner, go to the front please.
Some more there as well. Aye.
Sorry, come round in front please, in front of the front. Start following in your hole, behind the banner please. Get into the banner. It's just about to be famous, come here.
Come right in, boys. Come right in.
Right guys, cabs up.
These are red cards where you are, Craig.
Sorry. Need to bring people forward.
Aye.
Bring people forward, guys. Just to your side.
Just to the side.
Thank you.
These more red cards.
Cabs off. Big red cards on this side. Move people to the middle to that side. Stay in the middle. Can you move down this direction?
Appreciate it, no, I do appreciate it.
Always look to win an award with this 40.
Right, guys.
Right guys, the banner up just outside the ticket office, and if you can queue up behind it, duty to your rest of the walkways.
There's no actual letterbox, but the point is to prove that this is the biggest queue it's been here in weeks. Two abreast. Two up, two up. On behalf of myself, Craig, Sons of Struth, Union of Fans and every like-minded Rangers fans who's sick of being took for granted, we really appreciate your support. We're in a battle for the heart and soul of the club right now, and in years to come, wherever you see this club, you can turn it to your children and grandchildren and say, you were there, you played your part. So, give yourselves a big pat in the back and a round of applause, please. Can also commend you for your exemplary behaviour. You've been a credit to yourself and the club. We keep getting told that we're in the minority, we're anti-Rangers, we're rebels. Today's meet was called at very short notice, with an apprentice boys of Derry Parade in Stirling and a BBC One free weekend over in Glasgow, a big event. So the numbers here are very encouraging. Now, it was planned to have a sing-song, but we think that would be inappropriate at an empty building. It seems a bit daft. Now, in the event, there's no letterbox here, right? But if we could ask everybody to form an orderly queue, sorry for the noisiness, there is a gap in this door. You can take your postcard through, right? After this, it's up to yourselves, whatever you do. For those on social media, keep on at Facebook, that Sons of Struth Facebook page, because as far as I'm concerned, this has been a success today. We're going to let this club know that we want to move. Again, I can only thank you for the bottom of my heart, right? The numbers today are very encouraging.
No surrender!
I'll get one thing to say. Sack the board! Sack the
Never, take off it, usual.